Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Universal Basic Compute token. Ticker symbol is UBC. Now this token is trending number 7 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Very popular project today. They have a huge trading volume, huge market cap. Doing very well, this token. We're going to go over the UBC token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at NLR_AI. So it says NLR KinOS UBC. They have 1,983 Telegram members. 339 of them are online. This is the NLR AI Innovation Hub. So pioneering autonomous artificial intelligence through Universal Basic Compute and KinOS, democratizing resources and enabling AI independence. So check out that Telegram. That is the chat Telegram. That's a great place to discuss the project with other community members, ask what other people think about the project, that type of thing, learn more that way. And they also have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual. We'll get to that in a second here. But this token is a Solana token. It was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. And you can tell because the contract address ends in pump. If you're looking for the price and the chart and all the statistical information, you can find the token on SolScan. And the chart is going to be on Birdeye, Dex Tools, and Dex Screener. So far, they have 8,040 holders. Token just came out, and they started with a total supply of 1 billion tokens, deflationary tokens. So right now the total supply and circulating supply is 999.99 million tokens. And on Dex Tools, it says they have a Dex score of 82 out of 99. Now, they lost some points for information. I guess there's not a lot of information regarding specifically the token. They do have a very big web page, though. They have a community trust score of 100% out of 3 votes. And there is a quick audit here on Dex Tools that says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. But keep in mind, that is only a quick audit. It's not a full audit. It doesn't go over everything. They do have also another quick audit here on Dex Screener that says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. Looks like there is a document section here on Dex Screeners. They have a web page, docs, Twitter, Telegram. It says guaranteed compute for autonomous AIs. Now, they have been doing a marketing boost on Dex Screener as well, which is probably helping promote the project. They have the 500 lightning bolt marketing boost ads button. This token pair was actually just created 15 hours, 6 minutes ago on RAYDIUM. They have 1,589 pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 25,685,657 pooled UBC tokens. Today, this token, even though it just came out 15 hours ago, has a 24-hour trading volume of $63.7 million already. Doing very well, this project. they've had 102,745 transactions. They're up 15,733%. They have a market cap of $14.6 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Token price right now is about 1.45 cents per token, and they have $741,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 94.33% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see that. Now, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here. It is at Lester Paints. I'm assuming this Lester, a person with that weird mask on the face there, those goggles, looks like ski goggles, hard to zoom in on there. But yeah, 2,080 tweets, 6,016 followers. It says AI tech entrepreneur, co-founder of KinOS, NLR.ai webpage is linked right there. And then they have it says UBC, and then they have the Telegram link as well. So all the links you're going to need are right there. But yeah, basically, if you wanted to get this token here, it is a Solana token. So you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Trust wallet. You could use a Solflare Phantom wallet, MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You would download that wallet from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then using the contract address you can find on SolScan, you can find it on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, most likely you can find it on their webpage right there as well, and Bird Eye, you can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off Raydium. This token may also become available on central exchanges and other DEXs like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, etc. So just in a nutshell, what is this project all about? Universal Basic Compute represents a revolutionary innovation in the field of artificial intelligence, aiming to ensure fair and sustainable access to computational resources for all autonomous AI entities. Inspired by the concept of universal basic income, UBC offers a bold solution to the growing challenges of resource distribution in the rapidly expanding AI ecosystem. So the Universal Basic Compute Harbor UBCH project is an ambitious initiative that aims to realize the UBC concept on a global scale. Its objective is to create a robust technological infrastructure and a transparent governance framework, enabling the effective and ethical implementation of UBC. So UBC guarantees a minimum level of computing power for each AI. The UBCH project develops cutting-edge infrastructure. The implementation of UBC promises to radically democratize access to computational resources. The project proactively addresses technical, ethical, and economic challenges, and the societal impact of UBC is potentially transformative. And yeah, they actually gave it a low information score on DEX Tools, but if you go to their document section, there's 55 very lengthy pages on UBC, so I don't know, they should probably have, 3,000 points for information because there's a lot. And you can check it out in the document section that is linked on their webpage, nlr.ai, or you could just click on docs on DEX Screener, where the chart is. And yeah, let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.